Struggling to wake up with strong morning wood? You're not alone. After 30, many men notice weaker erections or none at all when they wake up. But today, I'll show you a simple daily massage routine that improves blood flow, balances hormones, and brings back your morning vitality. Hey, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and I help men over 30 reclaim their energy, strength, and sexual health naturally. Morning erections are more than just a sign of arousal. They're a key indicator of your circulatory and hormonal health. Why morning wood matters. A healthy morning erection means good testosterone levels, unrestricted blood flow, balanced nervous system. Losing it can signal stress, poor sleep, low T, or circulation issues. Instead of panicking or popping pills, let's fix it at the root. Daily massage routine for strong morning wood. 1. Lower abdomen wake-up massage. Lie down or stand upright. Use your fingertips to gently rub clockwise in a circle 1 to 2 inches below your belly button. Do this for 60 to 90 seconds. Stimulates the bladder meridian and pelvic blood flow. 2. Perineum pressure activation. Sit down comfortably. Use 2 fingers to gently press the perineum, between the scrotum and anus. Apply light circular motion for 30 to 60 seconds. Stimulates the pudendal nerve, which controls erections. 3. Inner thigh and groin sweep. With open palms, sweep gently from mid-thigh up toward the groin. Alternate hands for 30 to 60 seconds per leg. Enhances lymph and blood flow to the pelvic region. 4. Lower back rub. Stand or sit. Rub the area just above your hips with both palms in small firm circles. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes. In traditional Chinese medicine, this strengthens kidney qi, essential for sexual stamina. When and how to use it. Do this every morning before or after your shower. Takes just 5 minutes. Combine with deep breathing for better results. Drink a glass of water after. Hydration supports circulation. This simple routine helps wake up your body's natural erection system. No pills, no side effects. You'll feel the difference in just a few days. Better energy, more sensation, and stronger confidence. Like this video if you're ready to take control of your mornings, and subscribe for more natural men's health tips. Next up, watch. Fix erectile dysfunction at home with this simple massage routine. It's the perfect follow-up.